In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Explorer tool in Google tools such as Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, and it may show up in other tools as well. So here I've got a Google Doc, and let's say I'm trying to write about a specific topic, research it, find some information, and my topic is the San Andreas fault line. So let's just type that in, the San Andreas fault line. So it doesn't really take much. The only thing in the doc is that it's about the San Andreas fault line. The Explorer tool is this little key down here. It's a little button. It's got a little plus in it. And if you hover over it, it says Explore. We're going to click on that. All right, so the only thing in the document is about the San Andreas fault line, so that's what it's going to show me. I can research topics on the San Andreas fault line. I can insert images related to the San Andreas fault line. We can look at research based on the San Andreas fault line. So here's what we can do with this Explorer tool. All right, so the first thing, let's add an image. So if I click on that, I can add an image to my document. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. And let's click out of here. Let's see, topics. If I click on that, it's the only topic in there, so that's the only thing it's going to show me. All right, so if I click on that topic, I can add resources from the web, more images, or I may have resources in my own Google Drive that are related to this. I don't, but depending on the topic, you might. So if you search for a specific topic, you scroll down. Right, if I click on the snowman menu, I can determine which formatting it will use if I insert a resource. Do you want to use MLA citation, APA format, Chicago? And then if there's information I want to include, these two little quote marks, it doesn't include text, but what it does is it will add a citation for that site. So if you use information from this site and you click on the little quotes, it will add a citation in the format selected. It might be a footnote, but you can always change that to a works cited page later. If I click out of here and related research, notice that now if I am looking at these documents, instead of a quote, it's a plus. What that's going to do is that's actually going to insert actual text from this site. So if I click on plus, it takes me to that site. So I can open up the site, or if I want, I can just insert text directly. So notice that up here it starts with those earthquakes occurred along a fault. The exact same text has now been pasted into the document with an endnote here, and that corresponds to a footnote at the bottom of the page. So all of the resources that you're finding, you can cite, which is the proper way to do things. And this Explorer tool shows up in Docs, Sheets, Slides, and maybe a handful of other Google tools as well.